Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook black screen issue. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So we're going to make sure to exit the application in case it's fully screened out. And then once you close it properly, then we're going to now go ahead to our settings. Once you go to your settings, then from here you're going to go to the third app section where it says apps. And then from here you're going to see either Facebook here, or you're going to go to the see all apps. Once that is set, then you're going to now search for Facebook. Once you find Facebook, then you can see from the third option where it says storage and cache. And now from here you're going to click on the button that says clear cache. Once you have cleared the cache, then you're going to exit the app. Now we're going to make sure that Facebook is fully updated. So going to the Play Store or the App Store. And now from here we're going to search for Facebook. And then from here we're going to make sure to open it. And from here it should say upload, update, and then if it says update, then just click on that instead of the open. And once that is done, we're going to make sure that the last final set thing is ready, which is going to the settings again. And then from here, we're going to scroll all the way down until we make sure that the system setting, which is right here. And then from here, you can click on the system update. And so from here, you can check for a new update for your phone. And if there is one available, then make sure to go forward with that. And once you restart your mobile device, then your problem should be solved. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.